Dear INNIO team, as we close in on 1 year's end, the holidays are a time to pause and reflect. To reflect on a year that, for me, and probably for all of us, evokes a wide range of emotions. When we look at the world, we see international disorder, a weakening economy, and trade conflicts. The world faces significant uncertainty. That's why the development of our company is all the more impressive. We look back on a year unlike any other in our 500-year history. A year of records and unique successes. A year that shows what we are capable of as one INNIO. Dear team, I am so proud of you. You have performed very successfully in the market. And this success was not handed to us on a silver platter. We have worked hard for this. You are committed, passionate, and determined to find the best solutions. Each of you has contributed to making INNIO stronger than ever before. That's why we can look to the future with pride and confidence. For this, I want to thank you. Thank you all in more than 100 countries. Thank you in production, in administration. Thank you to service, sales, and engineering. Thank you for your outstanding commitment. Dear colleagues, enjoy the holiday season with your family and loved ones. Get some rest and start the new year full of energy. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Das gibt's doch gar nicht. Oh, ist der Stefan. Also ich soll sagen, ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas and ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, no. Merry Christmas and ho, ho, ho. Wer hat sich denn diesen Scheiß ausgedacht?